Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw tips and tricks. I just couldn't stand it. I wanted to see what it looked like in color, and in color you could save a few steps. So if you watched the other video, you know that we take a duplicate of this and change it to 2. I do not know why it jumped up there, but we're going to call it okay. Now we're going to make this one yellow, and we're going to make this one red, and then we're going to take the exact same thing we did a while ago and blend it 55 times. What's cool about this, you don't have to use the interactive fill tool or anything else. Then you could put your text on there and leave it that color, or you could make it yellow and then you could make it stand out with an outline, and you could make your outline a little thicker by hitting F12 and making it something other than a hairline. Woo, that's too thick. Forgot how little it was. But that's a pretty cool effect. Let me go ahead and make this one the same. I think I picked 0.75. That kind of looks like it went off into the sunset and got a really neat effect. Some of the letters that are blending. And there's a lot. I mean, you could do anything with this. You could, well, don't ever move anything out of the way like I just did. Nudge it. And then maybe you could take this one and change it all together and maybe grab that one and make it blue and have a total different look. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.